What's up, YouTube? Yo, we're back, and I'm Zan. And you guys, you're doing good. You're doing good. Great. Welcome to the new garage. So we've moved, obviously, and we're still moving. But couch is out here. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't. Heater. But we're back. Yeah, Heather and I moved, got a house, and now we have space to do this. But what's that mean? That means, there's gonna be a lot more coming. I want to give you guys a quick update. First off, I broke my computer during the move. Just fixed it, like 2 days ago, finally. And I've got some videos to catch up on and some things to do. Broke the Fiero, which is outside. It will be in here, but stuff. Replaced the master cylinder clutch and slave cylinder on the clutch, and got to bleed it, and that should be good to go. Z125 engine still in a box. Should just go back in, plug together. This should be good to go. Got some more new toys for it, and we'll play with that. Josh's Duke needs an oil change. He needs to get his butt over here. Josh, get over here. Let's change your oil on your bike so you can ride it. XS650 still making a noise. I'm going to pull the engine. Heather's bike's good to go. I've been riding it because I broke the Fiero and I got to go to work. That's the bike update so far. There might be a new bike coming. Working on some things there. Let's just say it's the KTM variety and it's older, but it's cool. And if I get that, it'll be awesome. I got a lot of upgrades for the Z125 this year, including cleaning, sanding, painting, tires, brakes, all this cool stuff. Heather's bike's done. She doesn't want to do anything else to it. I think we're going to do a little pinstriping. XS650's got some new mirrors I want to put on it and some new stuff once it's running right. Neighbor's got a dog. And we're going to work on this garage a lot. And for all of you who don't really care about this stuff, aka motorcycles and whatnot, we're going to be doing some Space Engineers. We're going to play some video games. We're going to be working on the house a bit. We're going to be doing a lot. So Zan's back. Quick update complete. Everyone out there ride safe, party hard, and Space Engineer well. Peace, homies.